Hey guys, taking care of your skin isn't just a luxury, it's a sign of self-respect. And guess what? You don't need to break the bank or follow a complex routine. In this video, I'm breaking down a simple 3-step process to get that clear skin you've always wanted. But before we jump in, remember that understanding your skin type is key. Ready to glow? Let's do this. Let's start with normal skin. Lucky you. You don't need anything fancy. Begin with a gentle cleanser twice a day. Opt for a neutral face wash that cleans without stripping your skin. Step 2. Toning. A water-based toner with natural ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile helps balance your skin's pH and primes it for better absorption. Last but not least, moisturizing. A lightweight lotion works wonders. If it includes SPF, you're nailing it. Dry skin? No problem. Start with a moisturizing cleanser containing oils, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. It restores your skin's natural barrier and locks in moisture. Next, serum time. Hydrating serums with aloe vera, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid can be your best friends. Lastly, don't forget a nourishing cream. Choose natural-based products and drink plenty of water throughout the day for that extra hydration boost. Oily skin? We've got your back. Begin with a cleanser containing glycolic acid, zinc, and clay. Opt for oil-free and non-comedogenic options like Dr. Jart's tea treatment or Jack Black's deep dive cleanser. Step 2. Use a toner or serum to control excess oil. Witch hazel or salicylic acid can be your secret weapons against shine and pores. Exfoliate weekly to keep things in check. And don't skip moisturizing. Choose oil-free, water-based options with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Before we wrap up, let me share the most effective do's and don'ts for achieving that dream skin. Do 1. Hydrate like it's your superpower. Water is your skin's best friend. Keep sipping throughout the day for that natural, radiant glow. Do 2. Dive into a diet rich in fruits and veggies. Antioxidants are your secret weapon against free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. Do 3. Prioritize your beauty sleep. 79 hours of shut-eye lets your skin repair and rejuvenate, leaving you with that fresh, well-rested look. Let's see some bad habits that you need to stop if care for your skin. Don't 1. Say no to overwashing. Your skin loves its natural oils, so don't strip them away with excessive cleansing. Don't 2. Avoid harsh products like the plague. Gentle is the way to go, whether it's your cleanser or your moisturizer. Don't 3. Skip sun protection. UV rays are your skin's worst enemy. Even on cloudy days, apply sunscreen to shield yourself from their harm. So there you have it, guys. A clear skin game plan in just 3 steps tailored to your skin type, along with the most effective do's and don'ts. Don't overcomplicate it. Just stick to these basics and watch your skin transform. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocking that healthy glow. Stay awesome.